How to buy storage on your iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. At the very top, you can find your Apple ID. Click on it. Hit towards this option iCloud. You will get 5 GB of free storage, but that's not enough and you want to purchase, then you can click on this option of Manage Account Storage. Click on this option Change Storage Plan. In this page, you're gonna get different options: 50 GB for 99 cents per month. Likewise, 200 GB for $2.99. You just need to scroll down. You're gonna get different iCloud storage options. Now you can select the storage plan that is convenient for you. After you select it, click on the option Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Now you have to click on the option Subscribe. And then you will get this pop-up: Payment information is required. Click on the option Continue. Now provide your payment details over here and continue with the process. With that, you will be able to purchase storage. So this is how you can easily buy storage on your iPhone. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.